I'm going to give a 2-minute whistle-stop tour of how the Gene Golding Institute can support your research. So those that aren't familiar with the JGI, we're the university's research institute for data science and data-intensive research. And you can kind of see us as a pool of data scientists with a range of expertise that you can utilise to help you with your research. This can range from kind of free data science help desk support, so kind of one-off maybe help, to kind of costing in on one of our data scientists to support your research, so at a fractional FTE from short periods to long periods of time. In terms of funding, we actually also do kind of small pots of seed corn funding, which many researchers have used for kind of proof of concept. Then they develop these into kind of larger grants. And we can help with kind of helping with grant development, so costing advice, and then looking at experimental design and data ethics. What else? We've got training. So we do a range of training, so from kind of simple coding courses to more bespoke workshops. So if there's something that you want to have training in more specifically, you can speak to our data scientists and we can develop something more bespoke. And then finally, we do a whole range of events, so from seminars, discussion groups, which we organise ourselves, which is quite topical because we have Bristol Data Week from the 3rd to the 7th of June, which is a range of seminars, workshops, online and in person, that showcases all the kind of exciting data science research we hold across the university. And one of these days is actually in City Hall, and it's all about AI and the future of society, and that's on the 6th of June. So please do join us. If you've got any questions, just give us an email. The QR code has all the different ways you can contact us, or speak to me and Hugh, who's sat here, in the lunch. Thank you.